Are you wondering how to use Amazon AWS S3 with EverWebinar to streamline your webinar storage and delivery? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate AWS S3 with EverWebinar to manage your webinar videos more efficiently. Stay tuned because I'll also be sharing a special offer that lets you use EverWebinar completely free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, let's talk about what AWS S3 is. Amazon S3 is a cloud storage solution where you can store files like webinar recordings, images, and other assets. By integrating it with EverWebinar, you can easily host your content without worrying about storage limits or performance issues. Next, let's get started with the integration process. In EverWebinar, go to your account settings and find the Media tab. This is where you can upload your webinar videos. Now, instead of uploading directly to EverWebinar, you'll use Amazon S3 as your hosting platform. The third thing to do is create an S3 bucket on Amazon AWS. A bucket is essentially a container for your files. To do this, log into your AWS Management Console, navigate to S3, and create a new bucket. Make sure to choose a unique name and set the region closest to your audience for faster video delivery. You also need to adjust the bucket permissions to ensure your videos are publicly accessible so EverWebinar can pull them in. Once the bucket is set up, the fourth step is uploading your webinar video files to your S3 bucket. Simply drag and drop your webinar recordings into the bucket. AWS S3 is reliable and fast, so it's perfect for hosting large files without worrying about performance. Now, the fifth thing is to link your S3 bucket with EverWebinar. After your video is uploaded to S3, copy the video's URL, then go back to EverWebinar and paste that link in the video URL field under your webinar settings. This tells EverWebinar where to pull your video content from. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Amazon AWS S3 with EverWebinar. Your webinars will be hosted on AWS, but streamed through EverWebinar, providing smooth delivery and a scalable solution for your business. But before you go, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can try EverWebinar for free through the link in the description below and enjoy our special bonuses, including an extended trial that will give you even more time to explore all the features. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your webinars with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for your free trial.